really cold outside, so we're gonna try to burn a fire, and I haven't... Did we even do this last winter?
No.
Okay, well...
You can't get up there. I moved it.
Well, hopefully there's no... I'm terrified that there's like baby animals in the chimney.
They shouldn't be now. It's cold. It's winter.
Okay. Did the flue open? Did we open the flue?
No, I don't want to open it. Make sure it's already open though.
I hope it's opened. Hopefully it hadn't been open the whole
I
time.
don't think it has. What is that?
Trey! He hung on to... Stop! Trey, you're in front of the shot. So we have a Christmas party tomorrow at work, so I am going to make some cute little pretzels with white chocolate on them, and hopefully I can make them festive as well.
I think there's smoke coming out.
Oh my god! Yeah, the flue is not open. The flue has been closed the whole time.
Okay, so what do we need to do? I think I fixed it. I'm not sure.
What are you doing? I was coming to fix it. Here, hold this.
This way.
Well, I was going to come save the day with the spatula. Okay, so I'm trying to melt this chocolate. I don't do stuff like this very often. So I think I'm about to Google how to do this, even though like I feel like this should be fairly simple. I low-key feel like David doing this right now, filming this. Testing out tasty recipes. Mine would fail every time. I literally cannot get it focused on what I want it focused on.
Well, tell me what I need to do.
How the hell does David do this?
Stand up fire first of all.
God damn it. Oh my gosh, this is how I've looked all day. So I just got home from work. I had the most annoying afternoon. I had a freaking nail in my tire, so I had to go to the tire shop. And then I go to the tire shop and they're like, there's a nail in 2 of your tires. So that happened, but I'm home now, and I just got home. And this was on my porch. It's huge. I got a huge bag from ASOS? I don't really know how to say it. But anyways, I thought I'd show you some of the things that I got. This has been a long time coming. I ordered this stuff on Black Friday and it just got here. This is not for you. Nothing here is for a kitty. It's not for kitties. Okay, so the first thing I got is this blue, oh, it's really wrinkled. Oh no, that's the sleeve. Oh wait, no, it still might be wrinkled. It's a blue suit jacket. I love the color of this. Relax. Whoa, look at the sleeves. They're like ruffled. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's a blue suit jacket. Okay, this next thing is really fun. Look. This is another like little jacket. This has freaking shoulder pads in it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Whoa. Oh, this is so fun. Look. Look at my shoulder pads. Whoa. This is another really cute top that I got that I'm not going to put on right now because I'd have to take my shirt off and I don't feel like doing that. But look. It's got a little bow. Oh, okay. This is a sweater. Oh, this is cute. I love the color of this. So I have a pullover that I recently got that is this color, but this is a sweater. I love the color of this blue. Blue's my favorite color if you didn't know. So next is a pair of pants. Look at how cute these are. I hope they look cute on me. I'm not going to try them on right now, but hopefully they're flattering. But look how cute they are. They're striped and they have pockets. I hope these look good on me. Next, I have another pair of pants. These are just like I don't know what to call them. Joggers? I don't know. But I don't have any pants like this at all. But they have like a little drawstring and they're soft and there's a little stripe on the side which I thought was cute. And they have pockets too. Love pants with pockets. This is cute. This is another like pullover. So it's not quite as thick as like a suit jacket. It's pretty thin. But I liked it because it's polka dots and it can make something like casual look just a little bit dressier. Like a little t-shirt or anything really. I love how I'm like giving style advice. Like I know anything about fashion and style. Okay, now this is what I was most excited about. Look at this coat. Oh my gosh. It's huge. Whoa, this is going to be so warm. It probably doesn't get cold enough to wear this here. But I'm going to wear it because it's cute. Oh, look. It's furry on the inside. I'll have to go somewhere where it's cold and I can wear this. I like how I say that and I'm literally going to LA in a couple of weeks. Oh, look. I can't get far enough back for you to see it. Ooh, okay, so the only thing wrong is that the sleeves are a little long because my arms are shorter, but this is so cozy, look. I almost fell doing that, so we're gonna stop there. Oh my God. I'm sorry. So, apparently they're doing some kind of special Shawn Mendes thing in Atlanta tomorrow. And his like management people tweeted out like, tweet us with hashtag Shawn Atlanta for a chance to win. And I've been like spamming their Twitter. And they just DM'd me that I was selected. I don't know what it is, but oh my God, I'm literally freaking out. This doesn't happen to me. Oh my God, I don't know what it is. I'm scared. I'm freaking out. Oh my God. Good morning. So it's very early. So last night, as you saw, I got chosen. I got an email around like 12 a.m. and they said we needed to be in Atlanta by 11:30, which was like 4 hours earlier than I planned to be there. So I literally like texted the people that I work with and they're so nice and they helped me out and they said, Phylesha, it's fine, go. And so now here I am getting ready. Apparently I'm gonna go meet Shawn Mendes and we might possibly be filming. I don't know. Lord only knows. Next clip you see might be after I met Shawn Mendes. Oh my God, okay. I've got to get myself together. Please, Lord, pray that I actually look cute today. That'd be nice. We don't know what we're doing.
We don't know where we're going. We don't know what we're doing. It's raining. It's cold.
It's a secret we can't tell you. Okay, so we all kind of look like windblown right now because we are windblown. We just met Shawn Mendes.
We did.
We just met Shawn Mendes, and now we did. We've literally been standing out in the cold for hours, and now we're in a bakery, the little bake shop, and we're having some food. I don't know what's happening.
We met Shawn.
So I thought maybe I would show you the hotel because I don't have that much content from today. It's really nice. So this is where you walk in at, and there's a little kitchen and a little living room, which is cute. The sink and all that. I have clothes strung out there, so I'm not going to show you that. But then past the bathroom is the bedroom, and I have other things in my suitcase that I shouldn't show you because they're undergarments. But this is the little bedroom. I think it's really cute. And the view out the bedroom window is pretty nice. There's a little Ferris wheel, and there is downtown Atlanta from the 13th floor. Okay, everyone's here.
Oh.
Hi!
That was long. I don't know, why was that so long? It was unnecessarily long.
Danny, Suzanne,
Yes.
Allie, and then Emily is in there. We're gonna go to the Jingle Ball.
Oh, maybe. Suzanne does not know how to act when there's a camera.
Hey.
We're gonna go to the Jingle Ball
Jingle, jingle.
and see Mr. Shawn Mendes.
Mendes.
Stop.
Man.
We're gonna be jingling.
Mendes.
Jingle all the
Help me. Crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. Why?
Stop.
It isn't in my blood. She said what? It isn't in my blood.
Let's go, here we go. I think about it, she knows it. I confess it, say, confess it, yeah. Oh, I think she cannot love it, go crazy. Take my mind in a vision, baby, there's nothing holding me back. You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decision, baby, there's nothing.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
We're good right here.
I feel like a turtle sometimes when I lay down. Okay.
Danny, I would lay like.
Oh, damn, it's probably filming already. Hey, I never said that.
All right, where are y'all at? Are y'all in this?
Am I in this?
No, you're very much not
Allie,
in it.
you're never in the thing. Come on
I
up.
can't sing.
Oh my god, I literally
There we
said.
go.
Play the song. Okay. Play history while we're fucking waiting.
No, we're okay.
Oh, now it's
We're okay. It's alright.
Well, then I'll play history.
Okay, no.
Danny?
You gotta help me. I'm losing my mind.
I should not have sent that. She's sorry.
Shawn Mendes made a post. Now my heart's breaking and I don't know what.
Shawn Mendes just made a post!
I know I already liked
We
it
got
for
that
her.
on this side of the
Literally
house.
what she just said.
We always find a way to make it out alive. Thought we were going strong. Thought we were holding on.
Who's gonna be the first one to stop?
She's gonna automatically hang up.
Who's gonna be the last one to drive away?
Oh my god, my elbow is trying to pop. Here we are.
Who's gonna be the last one to forget this place?
We keep taking turns.
We're gonna get kicked out.